Next, distance between 2 points with polar coordinates. First point is P r1 theta 1 and second point is r2 theta 2. And distance between P and Q will be root, clear? Okay, this is theta 1 mean angle with the OPX. Angle OPX is theta 1 and angle OQX is theta 2. Angle POQ is theta 1 minus theta 2. Clear? Then it will be R1 square plus R2 square. Clear? We will take R1 square plus R2 square minus 2R1 R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. This will be, we will use the formula for distance between 2 points with polar coordinates. Okay, first question is find the distance between the points whose polar coordinates are given to us. This is r1 theta 1 and this is r2 theta 2. And formula for 2 point distance between 2 points is root r1 square plus r2 square minus 2r1 r2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay, then it is 3 square plus 2 square minus 2 into 3 into 2 cos pi by 4 minus pi by 3. Then it is 9 plus 4 minus 12 cos A minus B. We will use the identity cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then it will be 13 minus 12 1 by root 2 cos 60 1 by 2 sin 45 1 by root 2 and sin 60 root 3 by 2. Then it will be 13 minus 12 1 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. 2 will cancel. 13 minus 6 1 plus root 3. If we rationalize root 2, it will become 6 root 2 upon 2. I will cancel this. Then it will be 13 minus 3 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. This will be the answer. Second part, minus 3 pi by 4 and 4 7 pi by 12. This is r1 theta 1 and this is r2 theta 2. PQ coordinates formula is r1 square plus r2 square minus 2 r1 r2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay, this will be minus 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 minus 3 into 4 cos pi by 4 minus 7 pi by 12. Then it will become 9 plus 4, 3 2s are 6, 4s are 24 plus cos. I will take LCM. This will be 3 pi minus 7 pi and this will become 9 13 plus 24 cos minus 4 pi by 12. Cancel with 3. 13 plus 24 cos minus pi by 3. Cos minus theta is cos theta and cos pi by 3. Cos 30 degree is 1 by 2. Or it will become 12 after cutting. Answer will be 13 plus 12 root 25, that is 5. This is r1 theta 1, this is r2 theta 2. And distance between PQ points is root r1 square r2 square minus 2 r1 r2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay, this will be 3 square plus 3 square minus 2, 3 into 3 cos pi by 2 minus pi by 6. This is 9 plus 9, 6 3s are 18 cos 90 degree minus 30 degree is 60 degree, pi by 3. Or you take the LCM, this will be 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 6, pi by 3. 18 minus 18, what is cos? This is 1 by 2. I will cancel this. This will be 18 minus 9, root 9, and this is 3. Next, show that these 3 points form an equilateral triangle. First is origin, second we take point P, and third we take as Q. R1 is 4 and R2 is 4. Okay? OP, distance between OP is 4 and distance between OQ is also 4. Clear? R1, R2. These are the distance. R1 is distance between O and P and R2 is distance between O and Q. Now, these two are same. If distance between P and Q is again 4, then it is an equilateral triangle. So, we will find distance between PQ. It will be R1 square plus R2 square minus 2R1 R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. Clear? Okay. This is 4 square plus 4 square minus 2, 4 into 4 cos pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. This is 16 plus 16 minus 32 cos. We will take LCM 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3. That will be minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. 32 minus 32 cos pi by 3. What is cos pi by 3? This is 1 by 2. We cut it. We will get 32 minus 16 root 16 4. So OP is equal to OQ is equal to PQ. Therefore, triangle OPQ is formed is an equilateral triangle. Okay. When we have to find the area, we will plot the points according to the angle. Smaller angle will be R1 theta 1, then second angle will be R2 theta 2, and largest angle will be R3 theta 3. Clear? We will take the points like theta 1 must be less than theta 2 and theta 2 must be less than theta 3. Clear? We will take the point according to the angles. 3 points are given to us. Suppose there is a question, we have to find the area between the triangle whose coordinates are 4 pi by 2, 4 pi by 3 and pi by 6 and 8 with 2 pi by 3. Clear? Okay. Firstly, we will take, this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree and this is 120 degree. Clear? This is smaller one. So, we will take P as 4 pi by 6 and Q as 4 pi by 2 and R as 8 2 pi by 3. This is R1 theta 1, this is R2 theta 2 and this is R3 theta 3. Area of triangle PQR half R1 R2 sine theta 2 minus theta 1. Clear? Then R2 R3 sine theta 3 minus theta 2. Clear? This is area of triangle POQ. This is area of triangle QOR, and then we subtract area of triangle POR. R1 R3 sine theta 3 minus theta 1. Clear? And we will get area of triangle PQR. Okay. Half 4 4 sine pi by 2 minus pi by 6, 4 8 sine 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2 minus 4 8 sine 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Clear? This will be 16 sin 90 minus 30 60 डिग्री, ठीक है. 4 32 sin 120 minus 90 30 degree, or we can write it as pi by 6. You can take LCM also, you will get the same answer. Clear? This is pi by 3. And 32 sin, just like we will take the LCM, it will be 4 pi minus pi, ठीक है. 16 sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2. 32 sin pi by 6 1 by 2 minus 32, it will be 3 pi by 6 means pi by 2. Clear? This is 8 root 3 plus 16 minus 32 into 1. This will be 8 minus 8 root 3 minus 16. Okay. Root 3 is 1.73, ठीक है. तो 1.73, if we multiply 8 with root 3 through 3, it will be less than 16, or area can't be negative. Therefore, we will take 16 minus 8 root 3. This will be 8 minus 4 root 3, 4 common, 2 minus root 3 square units. This will be your answer. Clear? Next, area of triangle with one vertex is origin. One vertex is origin, other 2 points are r1 theta 1 and r2 theta 2. Area of triangle OPQ will be half OP vector, OQ vector magnitude, and sine angle between two lines. This is half r1 r2 sine theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 2 minus theta 1. Now, with this formula, we will find the area of triangle with polar coordinates r1 theta 1, r2 theta 2 and r3 theta 3. Firstly, we will find the area of triangle OPQ. Then area of triangle PQR will be area of triangle POQ plus area of triangle QOR minus area of triangle POR. Firstly, we will find the area of triangle POQ. Then we will find the area of triangle QOR, and we deduct the area of triangle OPR. We will get the area of triangle, this one, required triangle POQ. Next, we will take the point according to angle. This is smaller, then this is larger, and this is largest angle. Clear? Then this is r1 theta 1, r2 theta 2, r3 theta 3. This is P, this is Q, this is R. The area of triangle PQR. Firstly, we will find the area of triangle POQ. R1, R2 sine theta 2 minus theta 1. Then area of triangle OQR, R2, R3 sine theta 3 minus theta 1 minus area of triangle POR, R1, R3 sine theta 3 minus theta 1. Clear? 1 by 2. R1, R2, A twice A sine theta plus pi by 3 minus theta plus twice A 3A sine theta plus 2 pi by 3 minus theta minus pi by 3. Next is R1, R3. A with 3A sine theta plus 2 pi by 3 minus theta. Clear? then it will become twice a square sine pi by 3, 6a square sine pi by 3. Clear? This is 3a square sine 2 pi by 3. Twice a square sine pi by 3, root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. What is 2 pi by 3? I will write it as 3 pi minus pi with sine. This will become pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus something. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Then it will become sine pi by 3. This will become half 8a square root 3 by 2. 3a square root 3 by 2. This will become 5a square root 3 by 2. And answer will be 5 root 3 by 4a square. This will be your answer. And square units, I will write it as with square units. First question is r is equal to a upon theta और हमें tan phi प्रूव करना है कि वो माइनस थीटा के इक्वल है और tan phi का फॉर्मूला है r d थीटा बाई डी आर. तो हम पहले डी आर बाई डी थीटा फाइंड करेंगे. तो इसे हम लिख सकते हैं a थीटा पावर -1 माइनस a थीटा पावर -2. तो माइनस a अपॉन थीटा स्क्वायर हो गया. tan phi हमारे पास होता है r d थीटा बाई डी आर. r की वैल्यू है हमारे पास a अपॉन r और d थीटा बाई डी आर हम नहीं निकालेंगे. हमने डी आर अपॉन डी थीटा निकाला था, हम उसे रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. सॉरी a, ठीक है, a अपॉन थीटा है तो a कैंसल, तो माइनस थीटा, यही हमें शो करना था. And we have to find the angle of radius vector which cuts the curve this. Clear? Okay. Here we equation have twice a upon r 1 plus cos theta r upon twice a. We reciprocal the terms, we will get 1 upon 1 plus cos theta r twice a. 1 upon 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. R is a sec square theta by 2. Okay. Differentiate with respect to theta. dr by d theta will be a 2 sec theta by 2 and sec theta differentiation is sec theta by 2 tan theta by 2 and again 1 by 2 differentiation of theta by 2. It is a sec square theta by 2 into tan theta by 2. 2 cancel. Clear? Now, what is tan phi is r d theta upon dr. What is r? R is a sec square theta by 2. What is d theta by dr? We have dr by d theta. So, for d theta by dr, we reciprocal the term a sec square theta by 2 tan theta by 2. A sec square theta by 2 cancel. We will get a 1 by tan theta by 2. That is cot theta by 2. Tan phi is equal to cot of something. When tan phi is cot of something, then phi will be pi by 2 minus angle, that is theta by 2. Then the required angle is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Next is r is equal to a 1 plus cos theta and we have to find the angle between radius vector and tangent at theta is equal to pi by 2. Firstly, we will find dr by d theta. It is a cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. Tan phi is r d theta by dr. R is a 1 plus cos theta and dr by d theta is a minus sin theta. ठीक है, a cancel 1 plus cos theta upon minus sin theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2 and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. We will get 2 cancel, cos cancel, cot theta by 2, tan phi. Formula is for tan phi is minus cot theta by 2, then phi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta, जो angle that is. Up. When theta is pi by 2, this is given to us. Phi is pi by 2 plus half pi by 2. That is pi by 2 plus pi by 4. After taking the LCM, twice pi plus pi, angle will be 3 pi by 4. This is the answer. Next is R is equal to A 1 plus sin theta. dr by d theta is A cos theta. Tan phi will be R d theta by dr. It is A 1 plus sin theta into 1 upon A cos theta. This is cancelled. 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Firstly, we will substitute the value when theta is pi by 6. What will be tan phi? 1 plus sin pi by 6 upon cos pi by 6. 1 plus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. This will be 3 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. I can write it as 3 upon root 3. That is root 3. This means tan phi is root 3. And root 3 on tan table will be tan pi by 3. This implies phi is pi by 3. Clear? Previous question, first part, you can also solve by this method also. Firstly, we'll substitute the value of theta, then you can find the value of pi. Next, r square is a square cos 2 theta. We will differentiate with respect to theta. R square will be twice r dr by d theta. A square, cos differentiation is minus sin 2 theta into 2. Differentiation of 2 theta. To cancel, r dr by d theta is minus a square sin 2 theta. What is dr by d theta? That is minus a square sin 2 theta upon r. Okay. Tan phi r d theta by dr. R d theta by dr, we will reciprocal this term, minus a r upon minus a square sin 2 theta. This will be r square minus a square sin 2 theta. What is r square? R square is a square cos 2 theta and upon a square sin 2 theta. A square cancel. This is minus cot 2 theta. Tan phi, we get tan phi as minus cot 2 theta. Last formula. Then phi will be pi by 2 plus angle, that is 2 theta. Up given is when theta is pi by 6, then phi will be pi by 2 minus plus twice pi by 6. That is pi by 2 plus pi by 3. Clear? We will get 6, 3 pi plus 2 pi and angle is 5 pi by 6. This is the answer. Okay, next question is r raised to power m. When we have r raised to power m or r raised to power n, taking log both sides. Log r raised to power m log a raised to power m into cos m theta minus sin m theta. This is m log r log a power m plus log cos m theta minus sin m theta. Okay, we will differentiate with respect to theta. This will be m 1 by r dr by d theta. This will be 0 1 upon cos m theta minus sin m theta. Differentiation of cos m theta minus sin m theta is minus sin m theta and minus cos m theta and into m. M will cancel 1 by r dr by d theta is minus common sin m theta plus cos m theta upon cos m theta minus sin m theta. Now, when you divide it by cos theta, you can convert it into the formula of tan theta. Firstly, we will find tan phi, that is r d theta by dr. What is reciprocal of this term? You will get cos m theta minus sin m theta upon cos m theta plus sin m theta. And here theta is 0. When theta is 0, tan phi minus cos 0 1 sin 0 0 1 plus 0, that is minus 1. Tan phi is minus 1. 1 I will get minus tan pi by 4. Tan is negative, tan phi is minus tan theta, that is pi minus pi by 4, then theta phi will be, and phi will be 3 pi by 4. This is your answer. Next question, show that in equiangular spiral r is equal to a e theta cot alpha and tangent is inclined at constant angle to the radius vector. We have to prove that the angle is constant. Clear? Okay, then firstly we will find dr by d theta. A a theta cot alpha remains same. Then we differentiate theta cot alpha with respect to theta. Then theta differentiation is 1 and cot alpha is as it is. It will be a cot alpha e theta cot alpha. Then what is tan phi? That is r d theta upon dr. R is a e theta cot alpha upon a cot alpha e theta cot alpha. This will cancel. We will get tan phi is equal to 1 by cot alpha. Tan phi is equal to tan alpha. Then phi is equal to alpha, which is constant. Alpha is constant. There is no theta. Then hence angle is constant. Next, show that at any point P r theta, the curve this, we have to prove cos phi and tan phi. Firstly, we will find tan phi. Then after this, we will find cos phi. Theta is root a square minus r square minus a square upon a cos inverse a upon r. Differentiate with respect to r. Theta in terms of r, we have to differentiate theta in terms of r. 1 by a. Differentiation of root is r square minus a square is 1 by 2 root r square minus a square and twice r. What is cos inverse? Cos inverse differentiation is 1 upon 1 minus angle square minus into differentiation of a upon r, means a r power minus 1. We will get r a root r square minus a square minus plus 1 upon root r square minus a square upon r square into a r power minus 2. This is r a root r square minus a square plus we will get r upon root r square minus a square into minus a upon r square. R will cancel. We will get r a root r square minus a square minus a upon r root r square minus a square. We will take common root r square minus a square. We will get r upon a minus a upon r, and there is root r square minus a square. A r LCM, it is r square minus a square. Clear? Okay. These two terms will be cancelled. It will be r square minus a square upon a r. This is the value of d theta upon dr. What is tan phi? Tan phi is r d theta by dr. R root r square minus a square upon ar. R will cancel. Root r square minus a square upon a. This is tan phi. Clear? This is your second answer. Okay, first answer cos phi. We will take right angle triangle in which this is phi angle. Tan perpendicular upon base. What will be hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be r. Okay. Then cos phi base upon hypotenuse, and this is your answer. Next is find the angle between radius vector and the curve. The equation of curve is L upon R 1 plus E cos theta. Okay. We will take log both sides. R is in denominator, therefore we will take log 1 plus E cos theta log L plus log minus log R is log E1 plus E cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. 0, 1 by r dr by d theta, 1 by 1 plus E cos theta, and this is minus E sin theta. Then 1 by r dr by d theta will be E sin theta into 1 plus E cos theta. When we reciprocal this, we will get r d theta by dr is equal to 1 plus E cos theta upon E sin theta. And this is the formula for tan phi. This is 1 plus E cos theta upon E sin theta. We can't solve these terms. Okay? Therefore, we will get phi as tan inverse 1 plus E cos theta upon E sin theta. This will be the answer. Next, prove that tangent at any point on the curve this makes an angle 3 theta with initial line. Clear? Given curve is, equation of curve is r square a square sine 2 theta twice r dr by d theta a square cos 2 theta into 2 to cancel. Dr by d theta will be a square cos 2 theta upon r. What is tan phi? Tan phi is r d theta by dr. R a square cos 2 theta. This is r square a square cos 2 theta upon a square. What is r square? That is a square sine 2 theta upon a square cos 2 theta. This will be tan 2 theta. Therefore, tan phi is equal to tan 2 theta and phi is equal to 2 theta. Angle with initial line is, starting angle is theta, theta plus phi, that is theta plus 2 theta is 3 theta. This is the angle with initial line. This is angle with the tangent vector. Okay? And now what is angle with initial line? That is theta plus phi. Show that the angle between tangent at any point P and the line joining P to the origin is same at is same at all the points on the curve, this means this is constant. We have to prove that tangent angle is constant. Okay. Given curve is log x square plus y square is equal to k tan inverse y upon x. This is in the Cartesian form. We will convert it into polar form. And r square is x square plus y square. And theta is tan inverse y upon x. We will substitute the values here. Log r square is k theta. Twice log r is equal to k theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. We will get twice 1 by r dr by d theta is k into 1. Twice this is dr by d theta is r k upon 2 tan phi. Tan phi is r d theta by dr. R 2 upon r k, r cancel, 2 upon k, phi is tan inverse 2 upon k, which is constant without theta. Therefore, it will remain same at all the points of the curve. Next question is phi is the angle between tangent to the curve and radius vector drawn from the origin of coordinates of any point of contact. Firstly, we will draw, we take a curve, any curve, we take a point P on curve whose coordinates are xy. This is origin and this is, suppose this is, curve is like this. Okay, this is point P and this is R radius vector and this is tangent. This is tangent line. Clear? Suppose this make theta and this is phi is the angle between radius vector and tangent and we take this psi as angle. Clear? And these are the coordinates PQ. P coordinates are xy. We draw altitude. This distance will be x and this distance will be y. Clear? Okay. Let P be any angle, any point on the curve. Clear? We will write it as Pxy. Okay? Let psi be the angle which tangent makes with x-axis and theta be angle which radius vector makes with x-axis and phi be the angle between radius vector and tangent. Clear? Okay. What is psi? Psi is exterior angle of triangle POA. Then psi will be theta plus phi. This we name it as 1. Okay. In triangle POB, tan theta is y upon x and tan psi, that is tangent, and slope of tangent is dy by dx. This is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Clear? Okay. Using 1, psi is theta plus phi and we have to find phi. What is phi? That is psi minus theta. Tan phi will be tan psi minus theta. Tan A minus B identity, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. What is tan psi? Tan psi is dy by dx and tan theta is y upon x. 1 plus tan psi is dy by dx into y upon x. We will take LCM x dy by dx minus y, ठीक है, upon x plus y dy by dx. This is the answer. Prove that these two spirals intersect orthogonally. What is orthogonally mean? Angle between the two curves for tan phi. Between these two curves will be 90 degree. Clear? First spiral is r raised to power n, a raised to power n cos n theta. Taking log both sides, log r raised to power n is log a raised to power n cos n theta. Then n, log r is log a raised to power n plus log cos n theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. N, log r is 1 by r, dr by d theta. This differentiation is 0, 1 by cos n theta minus sin n theta into n. We will get 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to minus tan n theta. When we reciprocal this, r d theta by dr is minus cot n theta. This means tan phi 1 minus cot n theta. Tan phi 1 minus tan minus mean pi by 2 minus n theta. Clear? This is 1. Second curve is r raised to power n, b raised to power n sin n theta. Taking log both sides, we will get log b raised to power n sin n theta. This implies r log, n log r log b raised to power n plus log sin n theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. N 1 by r dr by d theta is 0, 1 by sin n theta into cos n theta into n. N will cancel. 1 by r dr by d theta will be cos theta by cos n theta by sin n theta. When we reciprocal this, r d theta by dr will be sin n theta upon cos n theta. Tan phi 2 is tan n theta. Phi 2 is n theta. Up, angle between curves is mod of phi 1 minus phi 2. Mod of pi by 2 minus n theta, it is plus n theta. This is negative, na? This is plus n theta. Plus n theta minus n theta. That is pi by 2. Therefore, curves cuts orthogonally. Next, find the angle of intersection of the curves. There are two curves, therefore two angles. 1 plus cos theta dr by d theta is a minus sin theta minus a sin theta. What is tan phi 1? That is r d theta by dr. A 1 plus cos theta upon minus a sin theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 cancel, this cancel, minus cot theta by 2. Tan phi 1 Then phi 1 will be pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Next, r is b1 minus cos theta. Dr by d theta will be plus sin theta. What is tan phi 2? R d theta by dr. R is 1 minus cos theta or b sin theta. This is 2 sin square theta by 2 and this is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sin cancel, 2 cancel, this is tan theta by 2, tan phi 2. Then phi 2 will be theta by 2. Angle between curves, yeah, angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2. Pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus theta by 2. That is pi by 2. Then curves are orthogonal or curves are perpendicular, you can say. Find the angle of intersection of the curves. Curves are given to us. Firstly, we will differentiate with respect to theta. It is A and R. Differentiation of theta is 1 and theta dr by d theta is 0. And theta dr by d theta is equal to minus r. Dr by d theta is equal to minus r upon theta. Okay, for first case, tan phi 1, r dr by d theta by dr, r a theta into 1 by a, this is theta. And for second, tan phi 2, r d theta by dr, r theta by minus r, this is minus theta. Okay, here answer is theta and minus theta. Clear? Firstly, we will find the value of theta from these two. First curve is r is a theta and r theta is a. We will substitute the value of r here. A theta into theta is a. Theta square is a. Theta is equal to 1. Sorry, a cancel. Theta is plus minus 1. When theta is 1, tan phi is 1 and tan phi 2 is minus 1. Tan phi 1 is tan pi by 4 and tan phi 2 minus tan pi minus pi by 4. Angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2. Phi 1 is pi by 4 minus pi by 4. That is pi by 4 minus pi plus pi by 4. Pi by 2 minus pi, that is minus pi by 2, that is pi by 2. Again same, when theta is minus 1, it will be negative, it will be positive. Again, we will get angle pi by 2. Then curves are angle between the curves is pi by 2. Next, r is a cos theta. Dr by d theta is twice a minus sin theta. And dr by d theta is twice a cos theta. What is tan phi 1? That is r dr by d theta by dr. Twice a cos theta upon minus twice a sin theta. This is minus cot theta. And tan phi 2 is r d theta by dr. Twice a sin theta upon twice a cos theta. This is tan theta. Tan phi 2 is tan theta and tan phi 1 is minus cot theta. This means phi 1 is pi by 2 plus theta and phi 2 is theta. What is angle between angle of intersection? Pi by 2 plus theta minus theta, that is pi by 2. Therefore, curves are orthogonal. Next, r is a1 plus sine theta and second r is a1 minus sine theta. Dr by d theta, that is a cos theta, and here dr by d theta is minus a cos theta. Then tan phi 1 is r d theta by dr. R is a1 plus sine theta upon a cos theta. We can write it as 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta. 1 plus sine theta is cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 whole square, cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. I will write it as cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 whole square and cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2. This will cancel. We will get cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2. Dividing by cos theta by 2, we will get tan 1 plus tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan theta by 2. This means this is equal to tan phi 1 is tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So phi 1 is pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Clear? Okay. Now, for this, tan phi 2 r d theta by dr r 1 minus sine theta upon minus a cos theta. This will be 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. So same as it is, we will substitute the formula. 1 plus sine theta is cos theta by 2 minus plus sine theta by 2 and 1 minus sine theta is cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2, this is whole square. Clear? And when we cancel it, we will get cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2 whole square, cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2, cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. This will cancel. We will get 1 minus tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan theta by 2. This will be minus tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Tan phi 2. So phi 2 will be pi minus pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This is pi minus pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Clear? And we will get 3 pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Angle of intersection will be phi 1 minus phi 2 mod pi by 4 plus theta by 2 plus 3 pi by 4 plus theta. It is minus 3 pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This will cancel. This will be 2 pi by 4 minus pi by 2, that is pi by 2. Therefore, curves are orthogonal. Next question, fourth part, r is sine theta plus cos theta and second curve equation is r is equal to 2 sine theta. Firstly, we will find dr by d theta. It is cos theta minus sine theta and dr by d theta is 2 cos theta. So tan phi 1 r d theta by dr r sine theta plus cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. I can write it as cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. We will divide each term by cos theta. We will get 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. This is tan pi by 4 plus theta. Tan phi 1. Phi 1 will be pi by 4 plus theta. And tan phi 2 r d theta by dr. 2 sin theta upon 2 cos theta. Tan theta. Phi 2 will be theta. Therefore, angle of intersection will be phi 1 minus phi 2. So pi by 4 plus theta minus theta is pi by 4. So this is angle of intersection. Fifth part same. R is sin theta plus cos theta and second curve is R 2 cos theta. R is equal to 2 cos theta. Dr by d theta we will find tan phi 2. That is R d theta by dr. 2 cos theta upon minus 2 sin theta. This is minus cot theta. Then phi 2 will be pi by 2 plus theta. Clear? Okay. Next, angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2. What is phi 1? Pi by 4 plus theta minus pi by 2 minus theta. This is minus pi by 4 and answer is pi by 4. This is the answer. Next, r is equal to e power theta. So dr by d theta will be a e power theta. So tan phi 1 r d theta by dr, a e theta into 1 upon a e theta, that is 1. Tan phi 1 is tan pi by 4. So phi 1 is pi by 4. Okay. R is equal to b upon e theta. So r will be b e power minus theta. Dr by d theta will be b e power minus theta into minus 1. Tan phi 2. This will be b r d theta by dr, b upon e theta into, I can write it as b upon e theta, 1 upon b upon e theta. This will cancel, minus 1, minus 1. Tan phi 2 is minus tan pi by 4. So phi 2 is pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. Clear? What is the angle between them? Angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2. What is phi 1? Pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4. That is minus 2 pi by 4 minus pi by 2, and angle between intersection is pi by 2. Next, R is a upon cos theta. This will be 2 cos square theta by 2. A by 2 sec square theta by 2. What is dr by d theta? That is a by 2, 2 sec theta by 2. And sec theta by 2 differentiation is sec theta by 2 tan theta by 2 into 1 by 2. Clear? This is a sec square theta by 2 tan theta by 2 upon 2. What is tan phi 1? R d theta by dr. R is a by 2 sec square theta, and this is a sec square theta tan theta by 2 into 2. 2 to cancel, a sec square cancel, 1 by tan theta by 2. That is cot theta by 2. tan phi 1. Using formula third, we will get phi 1 will be pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Clear? Next, r is b twice sine square theta by 2. R is b by 2 cosec square theta by 2. dr by d theta. b by 2 cosec theta by 2, and differentiation of cosec theta by 2 is minus cosec theta by 2 cot theta by 2 into 1 by 2. This will cancel. Tan phi 2 is r d theta by dr. This will be b by 2 cosec square theta by 2 upon cosec minus cosec square theta by 2 cot theta by 2 into 1 by 2 with b. B cancel, 2 cancel, cosec square cancel. Minus, this is minus tan theta by 2. Phi 2 will be pi minus theta by 2. Clear? Angle of intersection will be phi 1 minus phi 2. Pi by 2 minus theta by 2 minus pi plus theta by 2. That is minus pi by 2 is pi by 2. Next is r is equal to a cos theta and twice r is equal to a. dr by d theta is minus a sin theta. Tan phi 1 is r d theta by dr, r a cos theta upon minus a sin theta. That is minus cot theta. We will use fourth formula. Then phi 1 will be pi by 2 minus plus theta. Then r is a by 2, dr by d theta is 0, tan phi 2 r d theta by dr. R is a by 2 upon 1 by 0, 1 by 0 not defined, phi 2 is pi by 2. Clear? Okay. Angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2. Pi by 2 plus theta minus pi by 2. That is theta. Clear? And you can find the value of theta also and substitute the value of r using 1 and 2. Okay? Twice a cos theta will be a. Cos theta is 1 by 2 and theta is pi by 3, and you can substitute here, you will get theta is pi by 3. Next question is r sin theta is twice a. We can write it as twice a upon sin theta. R is equal to twice a cosec theta. What is dr by d theta? Minus twice a cosec theta cot theta. Tan phi 1 r d theta by dr twice a cosec theta upon minus twice a cosec theta cot theta. You cancel minus tan theta. Second formula phi 1 will be pi minus theta. Okay. Second, r dr by d theta will be a 2 sec theta by 2. Sec theta by 2, differentiation of sec theta is sec theta by 2, tan theta by 2, and differentiation of tan theta by 2 is 1 by 2. So this will be a sec square theta by 2 into tan theta by 2. What is tan phi 2? R d theta by dr, a sec square theta by 2, a sec square theta by 2, tan theta by 2. This will be 1 by tan theta by 2. We can write it as cot theta by 2, and phi by 2 will be pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Clear? angle of intersection will be phi 1 minus phi 2. That is pi minus theta minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2. This is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. This is the point of angle of intersection. If you want to solve the properly, so you have to substitute value of r in first, comparing first and second. Now theta by 2 is pi by 4. We will substitute here. Okay. Using 1, this is pi by 2 minus pi by 4, which is pi by 4. Okay, from first and second we will find the value of theta. R, we will substitute the value of this R in first. R sine theta is twice A sec square theta by 2 sine theta is twice A. So A cancel. This is 1 by cos square theta by 2. Sin theta we can write it as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 as 2. 2 cancel. Cos theta cancel. Tan theta by is 1. Theta by 2 is pi by 4. Next we have to prove that these two curves have angle of intersection which is independent of A and B. First curve is r raised to power n, a raised to power n sec n theta plus alpha, and second curve is r raised to power n, b raised to power n sec n theta plus beta. Okay, r raised to power n taking log both sides. So log r raised to power n log a raised to power n sec n theta plus alpha, n log r log a raised to power n plus log sec n theta plus alpha. Differentiate with respect to theta, n 1 by r d theta by dr is 1 by sec n theta plus alpha, and differentiation of sec theta is sec theta tan theta into n, differentiation of n theta plus alpha, n cancel. Then this is tan phi is tan n theta plus alpha. This is the formula for phi. Phi 1. Phi 1 will be n theta plus alpha. Now second curve, again taking log both sides. Log r raised to power n log b raised to power n sec n theta plus beta. Same as it is n log r log b raised to power n plus log sec n theta plus beta. Differentiate with respect to theta, n 1 by r dr by d theta. This is 1 by sec n theta plus beta, and differentiation of sec is sec n theta plus beta tan n theta plus beta into n. We will get 1 by r dr by d theta is tan n theta plus beta, and n cancel, sec cancel. In this we reciprocal the terms r, this is dr by d theta, this r d theta by dr, when reciprocal it will be 1 by tan n theta plus alpha. Tan phi 1 is cot n theta plus alpha, then phi 1 will be pi by 2 minus n theta plus alpha, and in this we reciprocal this r d theta by dr is 1 by tan n theta plus beta. This is tan phi 2 is cot n theta plus beta, then phi 2 will be pi by 2 minus n theta plus beta. Then angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2. This is pi by 2 minus, first term will be same, minus n theta minus alpha minus pi by 2 plus n theta plus beta pi by 2. This is beta minus alpha, which is independent of A and B. Show that the circle, this first curve is this, second curve is this, we have to prove that angle of intersection is this. Clear? First curve is R is equal to B and second curve is R square is A cos theta plus B square. Okay. dr by d theta is 0, tan phi 1. R d theta by dr, B upon 0, that is not defined. So phi 1 is pi by 2. Clear? In second case, twice r dr by d theta, a square minus sine 2 theta into 2. 2 cancel. dr by d theta is minus a square sine 2 theta upon r. What is tan phi 2? R d theta by dr, r upon minus a square sine 2 theta. What is r? R a square is a square cos 2 theta plus b square upon a square sine 2 theta. Clear? Minus sine 2 theta. Clear? Now, we can't solve this more than these steps. We will find the value of theta from these two. We have r square is a square cos 2 theta plus b square. In first term equation, r is b. We will substitute r as b here. A square cos 2 theta will be 0, cos 2 theta will be 0, 2 theta will be pi by 2, theta will be pi by 4. Now I will substitute the value of theta pi as pi by 4 in this equation. At theta as pi by 4, tan phi 2, a square cos 2 theta is 0 plus b square, a square sine 2 theta sine 91, this will become b square upon a square. Clear? Okay. Minus b square upon a square. Okay. Okay. I will take it as alpha, tan alpha. Okay. In this part we get minus b square upon a square, but we have to prove tan inverse a square upon b square. So we start with this. Let tan inverse a square upon b square is alpha. A square upon b square is tan alpha. Okay. Okay. So putting in 2, using 2, tan phi 2 is minus 1 by tan alpha. Tan phi 2 is minus cot alpha. Phi 2 is pi by 2 plus alpha. Okay. Therefore, angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2. This is pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus alpha alpha and alpha is tan inverse a square by b square. This we have to prove. Next question, curves are given to us and we have to prove that angle of intersection is this. First curve is r square a square cos 2 theta. And differentiate with respect to theta, we will get a square cos 2 theta differentiation is minus sine 2 theta into 2. R dr by d theta will be minus a square sine 2 theta. And dr by d theta is a square sine 2 theta upon r. What is tan phi 1? R d theta by dr. This is r into r a minus a square sine theta. This is r square a square sine theta, sine 2 theta. This is sine 2 theta. R square is a square cos 2 theta upon a square sine 2 theta. This is minus cot 2 theta. We will use last formula. Phi 1 is pi 2 plus 2 theta. Then second curve is r is a 1 plus cos theta. dr by d theta is minus a sine theta tan phi 2 r d theta by dr a 1 plus cos theta upon minus a sine theta. A cancel, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 and 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is sine theta. This will cancel. This is minus cot theta by 2 and phi 2 is pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Now, angle of intersection, when we subtract it, we will get 3. Angle of intersection is phi 1 minus phi 2, pi by 2 plus 2 theta minus pi by 2 minus theta by 2. That is 3 theta by 2. Okay. Now, we have to prove that this is 3 and sine inverse we have to prove that is theta by 2. Clear? When we using given equation, r square is a square cos 2 theta. So r is a 1 plus cos theta whole square is a square cos 2 theta. This is a square 1 plus cos theta whole square is a square cos 2 theta. A square cancel, 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta is, this is cos 2 theta. I can write it as 2 cos square theta minus 1. This will be, I shift to this side, cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 is 0. We have, this is quadratic in cos, but we want in sine. So we will cos theta, I can write it as 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Cos theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2 minus 2. This is 1 plus 4 sine square sine 4 theta by 2 minus 4 sine square theta by 2. This is minus 2 plus 4 sine square theta by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 sine square theta by 2 cancel. 4 sine 4 theta by 2 is equal to minus 4 and 1 3 3. So sine 4 theta by 2 is 3 by 4. So sine theta by 2 is 3 by 4 power 1 by 4. Theta by 2 is sine inverse 3 by 4 power 1 by 4. Putting in 2, so angle of intersection is 3 theta by 2, 3 sine inverse 3 by 4 power 1 by 4, and this we have to prove.